Hey, what's going on, everybody? I hope everyone's doing great and trading well. Today, I'm trying out a new prop firm for myself. They've been around for a while, but it's called Earn2Trade. You might have heard of them. They have really good reviews. I've heard great things about them. They have been trusted and true from what I've been told. And today is the day I'm starting out with them. I reached out to them, and they have a good program here. So they have a couple different options. So they have the typical evals and well, let's just take a look. So we have what they call the trader career path, which is what I have, the 25,000 starter plan, and they have the gauntlet mini, and then they have a course that you can go through. Their website's pretty good. I like it so far. And today, or this, for during right now, they're doing a Black Friday sale. It's kind of like a pre Black Friday. I don't know how long it's going to be around for. It could be around probably till Black Friday. I don't know, but now's a good time to sign up if you do have an interest in trading with Earn2Trade. I definitely recommend them. So far, my experience has been pretty good. I've talked to their customer support, and I had a question, and their responses are pretty quick. So what I'm going to do is I have a 25K account here. And when you sign up for the TCP account, it looks like you get two accounts. You get a SIM account automatically, and you get the actual account, another SIM account, but one that you actually trade for the eval. So I've been just testing it out, signing it up for Ninja, getting it set up. A couple of things, if you're not familiar with different prop firms that have different rhythmic accounts, you have to make sure you click the link in the email they send you and sign the agreement, especially for Rhythmic, because you're going to have to take the extra step before you try and log in. A lot of times, some traders, what they'll do is they'll pay for their eval, they'll get the username and password, they go straight to Ninja, and they didn't realize that they have to sign the agreement. So make sure you follow the exact instructions of signing the agreement, because I've seen a lot of folks get hung up about that, and they call support. Support's like, you got to sign the agreement. All the prop firms have it. It's just, you state that you're a non-professional or professional trader, and depending on what you choose is the options you have. So you just remember to do that, because sometimes it can frustrate some of the newer traders for sure. So I'm going to take this challenge, and I'm going to try and get this funded. Now, the target I'm looking for is a little bit below $2,000. Because it's a smaller account, my profit target is a little bit less, but my drawdown and my breaking point is also lower. So I have to be careful. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna trade micros, and I'm gonna stay with micros, and I'm probably gonna trade maybe max three to five. Five is the max for the micros. I'll trade NQ and gold mostly, maybe some CL. Like I tip this the main instruments I trade. So we'll see what happens with that. But yeah, it's a little bit different when you sign up. You do get to choose which exchange that you focus on, and that kind of interesting, a little different. But yeah, let's see how it goes. I'm gonna start trading them tomorrow on Friday, and their rules are pretty much standard like anything else. Let's take a look. So if I go to the trader career path, pass the test, upgrade. Oh, 400,000. Nice. Okay. Um, so I did the TCP 25. So there we go. So here's the goal. So I need to make 1750. And I don't know if that's including commissions or not, but let's just say it's, without commissions. Um, Now they have a trailing drawdown on the live account, 1500, the end of day drawdown on the sim account, which is good. Most people like the end of day drawdown. So you have some wiggle room during the day. The daily loss limit is $500, so that's why we're sticking to micros. You could lose $500 in like one trade easily. Um, so that's that. They have different tiers, of course. Typical 50, 100, 200. Um, and then we scroll down here some more. They kind of outlay that. So here's the deal. I have a promo, Edge. So if you type Edge, and I'll put a link down in the description, that should give you that $60 discount, or the discount to $60. And yeah, there's also there's another code there for the 60. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to trade it, and I'll give you guys an update hopefully here soon. All right, thanks.